Welcome to your home decor therapy session. TM. More like TMI, am I right? Hey, can I not do a shoulder thing? Today I wanted to talk about how to approach home decor and building a beautiful home environment for yourself. There are 3 shifts that I want you to make, and they are in your mind. Nothing physical today, folks. Just like with everything, like with dreams and visions of whatever you want to do, whatever goal you're trying to achieve, there's the dream. The dream is fantastic. It's beautiful. It's sexy. It's fun. But then to get it into reality, there are things you have to do. This may be revolutionary, but you're on a journey. I know you've never heard that before in your life. You're on a magic carpet ride. I think we need to be reminded, like almost every day, this is a journey. We are not robots. We're in an era of instant gratification. We're in an era of just lots of technology and things at our fingertips. There is some effort required. There's some effort required, and it's worth it. It's worthwhile. Not everything comes quick and easy, and that's okay. And actually, I would argue that that is for your betterment and for my betterment, that sometimes there is struggle. You know, you can't AI your way into a perfect environment, home environment. There are actually a lot of great practices in building a home environment that are just good for us as humans. Patience. Patience is a virtue. So I hear some vision, a plan. Ever heard of it? You can change your approach and your mindset. Not all the time, 100%. But many times there's so many like mundane things that we have to do. If you can change your mindset for some of it on some days, to be a worthwhile endeavor, to be something that's for your benefit, even in the sludge and the trudging along. So I'd say on this journey, you need it, okay? Just like in other areas of your life, you need to exercise some patience. You'll need to practice contentment. You'll need to practice gratitude and celebrate your little victories. We're always just going and rushing, and like sit in your little victories and look at your little vignette that you created every day and just like be taken with it and show it off and just be proud because you did something, and that's cool. Also, part of the journey is living in tension. Ooh. With the already and the not yet. You got things happening in different phases in your home. That's life, right? This is mind shift number 2. Mind shift number 2 is another buzzkill, and it's that there are no quick fixes. I know that might be a punch to the gut or a shot to the heart. Creating a beautiful home isn't just about decorating, and it never has been. Okay, if you're starting from the framework of I need to just fill my house with objects that are pretty, you're going to have a frustrating journey. Beauty is subjective. Okay, so if you're just copy pasting whatever you see, that's not authentic to you, you're going to be frustrated and you're going to be changing things out constantly. Not good for your budget. Okay. Spend some time with yourself. You need to spend some time figuring out what you like, what you don't like. It's never been about ornamentation. You want to think about like what do you want to evoke what do you want to evoke inside yourself when you enter your home? What do you want other people to feel? How do you want them to feel? What does your home help you do? How does it help you achieve your goals, your other goals? And how does it help you function in your life and show up in your life? Your home environment can impact your mood in large and small ways. It can impact what you're able to do, how you're able to move around and function. And yeah, that's important. That's important to your life, to you. And the last thing I want to encourage you to do is develop your creativity. You're frustrated? Guess what? That means you've got at least one creative bone in your body. But I think you have more, and I think you have a personality, and I think you want to express that in your home. So do that. And it takes practice. It takes time because you're on a journey and there are no quick fixes. You can't buy your way to a beautiful home. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to tell you that. But do you guys remember? I mean, I don't know who's going to be watching this, but back in the day, MTV, they had a show called MTV Cribs, and touring people's houses, people's homes that had a lot of money. Apparently, money doesn't equal style, it doesn't equal taste, it doesn't equal creativity. Creativity takes time, but you can work on it every day. You can choose to be creative. Yeah, you might need some help, obviously. You might need some inspo. Let's kickstart your creativity. So, why don't you try to solve a problem in your home? Think of a solution for a problem you have in your home, function-wise, and try to solve it without buying something. It can be big or small. Just try to find something, an issue or something that irks you in your home, and try to think of a solution and come up with a solution that doesn't require you to buy something. I don't know how we got so obsessed with perfection and perfectionism, because it's not real. It's not real at all. So 2025, you need to work on killing that idea that perfection exists, because it doesn't, and you are not perfect, and I'm not perfect, and that's actually cool. Okay? It's good to have expectations, to have goals, to want to be the best version of yourself and have the best version of your house and your home. I get that, and yeah, I want that too. But in the everyday, we've got stuff to do. We've got to be gracious. We've got to be kind to ourselves, to others. And we're just not all in a state of rushing. Like, there is a humbleness to humanity, to being human. And that's okay. And we have good days and we have bad days and slow days and sad days. And all of those days are part of you, part of us. So, journey. I hope this was encouraging. I'm going to go pick up my daughter. It just gives you something to think about. Okay? All right. Till next time. I just want to talk normal. I want to I want to talk like I'm talking to a friend, but I want to enunciate because when I talk to friends, I'm very bad. I'm a mumbler. So, actually, YouTube, you're helping me. This is practice for speaking correctly and not mumbling. My friends are going to thank you. They're going to thank you. Okay.